my name is Laura, and I'm going to show you how to make an obtuse paper airplane. What you'll need is a sheet of paper. So you're going to take your sheet of paper and fold it almost in half, leave about an inch or so, and then you're going to fold it in half the other way. And then you're going to take the first half that the top half, and fold it down at that sort of strange, obtuse angle. Flip it over and do the same to the other side. And then you're going to take the tip and fold it back on both sides. And then you open it up, and you have an obtuse paper airplane. So what I did on this plane was added some weight to the front by gluing a nickel to the tip of the plane in the crease. You can use regular glue. I used hot glue, and this will help it fly more smoothly. So that is how you make an obtuse paper plane. I'm Laura. Thanks for watching.